As you can see there, gold just break this trend line and it just trying to reach down, but in that powerful zone to break gold trend. Okay, so it seems gold is ready to rise up. So what's next? We have to also consider this week NFP ADP news and fundamental factors as like Iran where and Russia Ukraine where. So I'm Mr. Boom here and I'm going to analyze the market technically and fundamentally both sides, and you are watching FX Billionaire Hub, and let's get started. As you can see there, this support resistance becomes support zone is acting a very strong position. As you can see there, it was a strong resistance zone and there is a breakout zone and again pullback and again that act as a support zone and gold fly away, again act as a support zone, and right now from last Friday it just acting like a support area. And for technical analysis or from technically, it may seem it is going to upward or it's just ready to fly. So what we can do next? Okay, so as per our analysis style, we always start our analyzing with weekly time frame, that means higher time frame, then we can find out our proper entry or zone or path in lower time frame. As you can see there, if I want to try to draw a trend line zone over here, it may like that. Okay, from the trend line perspective or a view of the trend line, as you can see there is a touching over there, and this closing was a bullish pin bar closing. Okay, that means there is already a confirmation to go buy. So what we can expect from next week or in upcoming day or next Monday to Friday? As you know that there is two fundamental factors working over there. Number one is geopolitical issues like Middle East war. Okay, Middle East war. Number two is US or Fed or Powell or US NFP or ADP. Okay, data. Okay, so gold is controlled by that two factor. Okay, so while we want to trade or while we want to analyze the market for long run or long term or daily or weekly basis, we have to consider that two thing also. And I already mentioned that previously, 80% data controlled by fundamental. Okay, fundamental, and 20%, that means short term or scalping data controlled by technical. Okay, as we are scalping trader, we have to keep our eyes on technical analysis, and that will be based on fundamental. That means if fundamentals say market can be go bullish, then we can only consider technical thing for bullish. Okay, we will avoid various things. And if fundamental says market is moving toward bearish, then we will only consider bearish thing in technical sector. We will avoid rest of them. So okay, so let move into daily time frame. As per I analyzed before, in daily time frame, let me make okay, let me make a trend line over there, and if I want to show or if I want to see the zone and there, okay, it may not be perfect, but okay for now. Okay, there you can see there 1 2 and 3 and 4 times it respected that resistance becomes support area. So we have to consider that support area as a strong support zone. So behind that we have four fundamental factors. Okay, we have four fundamental factors. Number one is Powell. Okay, Powell speaks. Okay, Powell speaks in upcoming Monday, and if there is any hawkish tone, that means stronger USD, and we will consider bearish for gold. Okay, number two, there is NFP. Okay, in next Friday, and ADP. We have ADP also in that particular week. If we see any stronger job numbers, that means rate hike expectation, that means gold will move bearish. Okay, number three is manufacturing PMI. Okay, we have manufacturing PMI news, and Iran where. Okay, Iran where is directly affected on manufacturing sector. If we got better than expected data, we will got stronger USD. That means in that case gold will move toward bearish, and if anything happens outside of that, gold will move bullish. Okay, and number 4 is unemployment. Okay, unemployment rate data. Okay, unemployment climb and rate. If we got lower than before, then that means USD is stronger and weaker for gold, that means bearish for gold. And as per I said before, if any news outcome show that USD is getting stronger, that means gold is getting bearish momentum. Okay, if any news or if any outcome shows USD getting weaker, okay, that means gold is stronger, directly opposite direction USD and gold. So you have to consider all of those things while you want to trade. Okay, and if I especially want to go for a smaller time frame in H4, let's see what is showing in H4. If you are looking for sell on H4, and then you can consider that zone. Okay, if it reach like that area, then we can consider sell. Depend on the candle confirmation. And I always tell that we have to consider 1:3 risk reward ratio. Risk reward ratio 1:3. That means if you want to take 50 pips SL, you have to take 150 pips TP in that choppy market condition. Okay, then you can win, or you can reconsider the winning ratio. And as you can see there is a trend line zone. Let me make it perfect. There was a trend line zone. Okay, we got a breakout here, we got a pullback there, then there is sell entry in the choppy market condition or in that risky market condition. Although we got some sure shot confirmation, so we have to wait till that, because market is very volatile right now. So we have to consider a safe market, or we have to wait for a stable market position or stable market condition. And if I especially consider 110 line on H4 time frame, you can consider that. We can consider that thing. Okay, we can consider maybe that, or maybe little bit lower than I draw. Okay, you can consider that thing also. Okay, we can wait till that particular area to buy, and we can wait till that particular area to sell. Okay, so this is a current scenario. I can't stand today directly buy and sell entry, because market is very risky scenario, in a very risky scenario. So we have to consider that risks also. So we will take entry depending on the news analysis and technical analysis when market opens. I just show my point of view. As you can see there, if we take this triangle as per our trend line analysis, so there is a breakout, we have to wait till that particular day, then we can consider buy entry depending on candle confirmation. It can be a pin bar confirmation, it can be a engulfing confirmation, and it can be any other thing. Okay, so I hope all things is clear now. I will be updating all of things into our public Telegram channel, so you may join there, link in the video description box. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, because in upcoming week I will publish a lot of analysis and each and every day. So that's for now. Mr. Boom signing out.